Before you decide to invest in Kajabi for your landing page needs, there are 12 important things you need to know. Stick around until the end, where I'll give you a clear comparison with other tools and a recommendation you can try for free. First up, Kajabi is a robust platform known for its all-in-one approach, offering more than just landing pages. It provides tools for building courses, email marketing, and membership sites. But it's also one of the more expensive options when compared to others like Leadpages or Instapage, which focus primarily on landing pages at a lower cost. Next thing to know is that Kajabi is really user-friendly, even for beginners. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, and the templates are professional. This makes it a great choice for those who want to create high-converting pages quickly, without the need for a designer or developer. However, its simplicity might feel restrictive if you're someone who needs a lot of customization. The third thing is its integrations. Kajabi offers a solid range of integrations, especially with tools like email marketing platforms and CRM systems. But keep in mind that some other landing page builders, such as Unbounce or Thrive Architect, offer even more integrations with third-party apps, giving you more flexibility if you use a variety of tools. The fourth thing to consider is that Kajabi's templates are clean and responsive, making it easy to get your landing pages looking professional. But if you're looking for a more extensive library of templates or specific niche templates, some competitors offer a wider selection for specific industries or use cases. Next up, the pricing. Kajabi's plans start at a higher rate than most landing page builders, starting at $149 per month. For that price, you do get a lot of features, but if you only need landing pages, you might find more affordable options like ClickFunnels or Builderall better suited to your needs. The sixth point to consider is Kajabi's analytics. The platform does a great job of tracking conversions, user behavior, and traffic sources. However, compared to specialized tools like Google Analytics, Kajabi's built-in analytics might feel a bit basic. Now, let's talk about the support. Kajabi offers 24/7 customer support, which is great, but it's not always as fast as you might expect. In comparison, platforms like Instapage are known for offering quicker responses and more comprehensive support resources. The eighth thing to know is Kajabi's learning curve. Even though it's easy to use, there's still a bit of a learning curve because the platform packs a lot of features into one. If you're only looking to build landing pages, platforms like Leadpages might be easier and quicker to set up. Next, Kajabi's built-in email marketing tool is a huge plus for users looking for an all-in-one solution. However, if email marketing is your primary focus, you might want to consider MailChimp or ConvertKit, which are more specialized in this area and offer more advanced features. The 10th point is scalability. As your business grows, Kajabi is a great tool to scale up your landing pages, online courses, and memberships. But if you just need landing pages and anticipate rapid growth, tools like Unbounce offer better scalability at a lower cost. The 11th thing is automation. Kajabi has some powerful automation features, especially for email sequences and follow-ups. But if your focus is strictly on automating landing page processes, you might find that tools like Leadpages or Instapage have better automation focused on landing page optimization. Finally, Kajabi is a great option if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that integrates everything you need for building online businesses. But if you're focused just on creating landing pages and want a more affordable, specialized solution, I recommend checking out our top pick for landing page builders, which you can try for free. In conclusion, Kajabi is a great option for people needing an all-in-one platform, but it might not be the best for those only focused on landing pages. If you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that's more cost-effective and offers everything you need for high-converting landing pages.